Hey folks, it's William with All Solar Texas. With Memorial Day right around the corner, I did want to let you know about two programs that we have offered since we opened the doors, but we haven't done a very good job communicating it. One of them is our military and first responder discount. So we really love and appreciate those that have served our country, either if you're active military or if you've been a veteran and have served our country in any other branches, even Space Force. We love you guys too. Please let us know, and that discount is made available to you. It's also made available to those that are first responders in our community. So if you're a firefighter, a policeman, if you're a sheriff, or if you're border patrol here in Texas, we love our border patrol. Please let us know and we will pass that discount directly on to you, the customer. Now, what does this discount look like? It's not some petty little $10, $20 discount where we give you a $20 gift card to go grab some food at Freddy's. This is a real discount. Now you can see by the flag that's right behind me, my family has served. I did not, but my family has served. I come from a long line of service people, and so you're near and dear to all of our hearts here at All Solar Texas. So we pass on a 20 cents per watt discount. Well, what does that actually look like? Well, if you buy a 10 kW system, that's 10,000 watts. If we reduce your price by 20 cents per watt on a 10,000 watt system, you're looking at $2,000. If you go up from there, if you're a 20 kW system, just to keep numbers easy, then that's a $4,000 discount. Or it goes a little bit lower depending upon the size of your system. So that's a direct discount that we offer all of our first responders and all of our military, active and retired military. The second program that I want to let you know about is our referral program. We do not have a huge budget, so we don't spend $20,000, $30,000 on commercials, hitting all the major networks. That just does not seem like a really good use of our resources. So what we do is we just pass those resources on to you, and you as a customer become our marketing team. And what that looks like is we pay you $1,000 for every referral that you send us that decides to go with us for their solar install. That's $1,000 from us to you after the install, once that customer has gone through the entire process and they decided to go with us. We love our customers, and even if you're already have solar and you did not go with us, maybe you just learned about us, but you like the content that we produce, you like what our company stands for, and you refer others to us, please just let them pass your name on to us, pass your contact information on to us, and we will make sure that we extend that referral to you as well. So thank you so much for all you military veterans out there, for those that are active duty, and for all of you on the front lines fighting for our freedom and our safety every single day. All Solar Texas loves you. We appreciate what you do for our community, and feel free to reach out. Give us a call, text message us, email us if you have any questions about going solar and you just want to be treated fairly, and if you want to take advantage of this very special, unique discount that we offered those customers. Just reach out to us. Thank you so much. I look forward to hearing from you. Happy Memorial Day, and God bless.